इनको कृष्णता को लगाते हैं एक बार और
Hello.
I think now you have joined.
Yes, I have joined now. Yes.
Yes, sir. So, okay, sir. Right now,
You can see me, right? Okay, okay. I'm disconnected phone. Is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And is it clear, or do you hear any noise?
No, sir, clear.
Okay, okay. Let me share my screen also. Oh, okay. So you will allow me sharing my screen later.
टाइम देख लीजिएगा ढाई बजे से
Sir, it's now permitted to allow you for sharing a screen. You can now try. Is it audible, sir?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So will this go for 40 minutes only, or will it be longer?
Sir, in recurring mode, we can continue it with another ID, means a continuation of this ID also. So, but right now our institute doesn't have to continue license of that more than 40 minutes time period. After next event, we will have that facility.
Okay, so that means that after 40 minutes it will disconnect automatically, and
Yes,
then
sir.
I'll have to connect again.
Yes, sir.
So that is the plan. Is that the plan? that after 40 minutes, if I get disconnected, then I will connect again.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so should I just start, or you want to give some introduction or something?
Yes, sir. I will introduce. Yeah. So first, I would like to welcome our principal, sir. So who is not available right now. I think he put Sasank Sekhar sir as a representative of him. So he is also here. And then I would like to invite our head of the department, Professor C.P. Singh, sir. So, and welcome you, sir, for giving us this opportunity to learn about this contemporary technology, robotics and mechanics, and it will be beneficial for our students. So I would like, sorry. So I would like to invite our head of the department, Professor C.P. Singh, sir, to say a few words. Then we will go for next activity. Sir.
हेडिंग है यही टॉपिक है टॉपिक यही है ना Respected Principal Dr. Nirmal Kumar sir, faculty members and the students participating in this webinar, actuation and control of micro and nano robots for biomedical applications. Good morning, sirs. My name is Chandrasekhar Prasad Singh. I am Associate Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department of BC Bhagalpur. I am also the head of Mechanical Engineering Department. I am thankful to our speaker, Dr. Atul Thakur, Associate Professor IIT Patna, for sparing some time from his busy schedule to enlighten us about the future technology, actuation and control of micro and nano robots for biomedical applications. I hope this would be very useful session for our students to get familiar with this new technology. Thank you, sir. Now Dr. Manish Kumar will continue the session.
I would like to request Sasank Sekhar sir to introduce the speaker, Dr. Atul Thakur sir. Sasank sir, are you available? I think he is not here. So, Dr. Atul Thakur sir is Associate Professor of Mechanical Engineering Department, IIT Patna. He is specialized in research area of robotics. So, I'm thankful he is giving us opportunity to learn these topics. I would like to invite our speaker sir to continue this session. Sir, you can continue now, sir.
Okay. All right. So, okay, thank you for the introduction. All right. So I think that the Zoom meeting will end after 40 minutes, and I think we have already spent 10 minutes or so. So maybe after half an hour, the session will end. So how much total time I have for this session?
Sir, you can continue based on your course frame. So it may take 1 or 1 hour 30 minutes also. So means before 5 p.m. I think you can conduct up to your requirement. So and based on that we will continue our next Zoom ID. So it's with your convenience, sir, you can conduct answer.